It's tasty. It's yummy. It's your mama's kitchen. Yeah.
Hey guys, this morning I'm making a quick video on just a little cute fruit smoothie without the smoothies because I can't do yogurt too much. But I'm going to be mixing together just these fruits here. And if you don't have individual bags, you can definitely get individually packed bags on the Delicious Tropical Fruits by New World Farms. Also, Dole has the individual packs too. So they're already prepared for you. So all you have to do is just toss them in your blender and get rolling. So for me this morning, I am going to start out with a little bit of Dole pineapple juice. Notice the size of the can. It's actually the perfect size as far as the amount that I need to make it a little smoother and easy for the magic bullet to do its work. So I'm going to just pour just a teeny bit here, just to give it a little liquidy base. I'm going to reach in and grab about maybe 3 avocados. Ooh. Put a little greenery in there. Throw those guys in there. My favorite, pineapples. Oh yeah, makes it so wonderful. Bloop. And then I'm gonna grab just maybe about 2 or 3 papayas. I'm gonna grab 2. Put those in there just to add an additional kick. Notice the papaya says it's an excellent source of vitamin C, and on the outside of the packages it tells you like what the good source of it is. So that's fiber and so on. Fill her up. Make it a more strawberry type flavored drink. You can put anything in here, from fruits to veggies. One day I'll put more veggies in here than fruits, but right now I'm gonna make it work. And last, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the remainder of my pineapple juice can inside of here. Kind of drizzle it over there just so that the fruits can start to melt because they were frozen. All right, I'm just gonna twist the lid on here. And one reason that I just started doing this is because I used to enjoy a couple of just fruit juices from the store, but they're kind of getting a little played out. So I said, why not make my own from frozen and fresh fruit? So I'm gonna go ahead and use my magic bullet. I'm gonna flip it over, bloop, and let the good times roll, honey. All right, when you're done, be sure to unplug it. Preserve your energy, honey. Don't want that high energy bill. And we'll twist the top to open it up. Ooh, look at that beautiful color there. Oh, it just looks so delicious. We'll have to share because somebody likes this as well. So I'm gonna pour it. Oh, look how smooth and liquidy that is. Thirsty this morning. Ooh-wee. And there you have it, guys. Your nice fruit smoothie. Bon appetit.